Now, a very important consideration, especially if we want to send satellites and we want, for example, something that's orbiting the Earth and always looking down at the same position, which means it will have to be moving at the exact same rate as the Earth is rotating around itself. We need to understand what is a day on Earth. And you may think that a day on Earth takes 24 hours, but you are actually wrong. It does take 24 hours to, if you're not in Lancaster and it's not always cloudy, to actually see the sun coming back to roughly the same position. That is true. Now, the reason why a day, a real day on Earth, which we call the sidereal day, it's the period of a total Earth's rotation, is actually less than 24 hours, is because as the Earth rotates around itself, and you can think of this orange as the Earth, which is rotating, it is also orbiting the sun along this direction. And this means that after one day, the Earth is moved by roughly about 1 degree. And this impacts actually the position at which the sun comes back. This is why the real day on Earth, or a period for a full Earth rotation, is actually not 24 hours, but it's actually 4 minutes short. It's 23 hours and 56 minutes. This is also the reason why a solar year is actually 1 day shorter than a sidereal year. This is important, and one of the important applications is if you ever want to send things to space, such as geostationary satellites, you need to understand that they need to have the period of a sidereal day. If you give it 24 hours, it will essentially not stay geostationary, and it will actually be moving too slowly for the orbit you're going to put it in, which means it will probably come back down, which is not great. And if you want to make a geostationary satellite, actually there's a lot of constraints. So the period is one of them, but also if you want to be looking at the same position on Earth, it needs to be actually orbiting the equator. And that is because gravity will act towards the center of the Earth, and also the orbit must be circular. And these satellites are used for a lot of applications, specifically for communications and broadcast. But because you can only have geostationary satellites like this, they'll have a period of 23 hours and 56 minutes, but they'll all be orbiting the equator. Then if you're living somewhere on the Earth, too high or too low, then you'll not be able to see these satellites very well.